Hope you're doing good. I'm continuing my research on solar system. Today I'm here with our lovely planet Earth. Hope you liked my video on the planet Venus. As mentioned in my previous video, I am here with my research on our lovely planet, our own Earth. We live on the planet Earth, our own Mother Earth. Have you ever realized that Earth revolves and rotates together in the solar system? Do you know Earth is the only planet where we can breathe? Or do you know how much the Earth's surface is covered with water? In my research, I have found all these informations and we will see these things in my video today. Earth is fifth largest and third planet after Venus and before Mars in our solar system. But our home planet is largest among the rocky planets. About 71% of the Earth's area is covered with water that includes 5 different oceans. In the remaining land area, we have 7 continents that include more than 200 countries. There are different environmental conditions on the Earth ranging from tropical rainforests to deserts. To know more about continents and world maps, please watch my video on world maps and continents. The word Earth means the ground. The Earth is an inner planet of rocky or terrestrial planet. Earth has one moon and no rings. Earth is also spinning even as it orbits around the sun. Have you ever realized we all stay on a revolving planet? It takes 365 days and 6 hours for the Earth to orbit the sun and 24 hours to spin 360 degrees on its own axis. Distance between the Earth and Sun is about 93 million miles and the distance between Earth and the Moon is 238,000 miles. When I came to know about this, I was wondering how much distance the sunlight travels to reach us. It takes about 2 days for a spacecraft to reach the Moon from the Earth. Have you ever wondered what is inside the Earth? It is full of melted rocks. That's the reason why we have volcanoes on our planet. Inside the Earth, we have 3 different layers, named as core, mantle, and crust. Do you know how many types of animals and plants are there on Earth? There are approximately 8 million different kinds of planets and animals that live on Earth. So for the summary, Earth is the 5th largest planet covered with 71% of water and also have house of nearly 7 billion people and 8 million animals and plants. In my next video, I will be talking about Mercury, Mars and Saturn. Till then, stay safe and happy learning. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more videos.